Hi, I'm Chloe from GroupTogether, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up a group card. So when you go to our start page, it's going to prompt you to either start a group card, money collection, or both, or a series of e-gift cards. Today we're setting up a group card. So a group card is just asking people to sign a card. And for the occasion today, we'll do farewell, retirement, and we're going to click next to generate our options. Now it's going to ask you for the basics, the recipient's names, whose it's from, and we're just going to ask you to fill that all out. So today our card is for Ali from her work besties. I decided to send it to her email. We can always edit this later. Now, we send the card for you on behalf of you and your team. So we ask you for the date and the time. So I'm going to pick next week, and I'm going to say 5 p.m. just before we go out of the office, and it's Canberra, Melbourne, Sydney time. The message to the group is a blurb. It sort of indicates and tells your team the occasion, what you ask of them, and maybe a bit of a blurb. I've written it myself. However, you're welcome to use our AI writer. It's going to ask you for a few prompts and it will generate a message for you. Now, the URL is what the URL is when you invite other people to sign the card. I've put in Farewell Ali 2025 and I'm going to hit next. Our next page is all about designing the card. So I'm on the farewell retirement section. I'd love to pick this one because Ali loves golf. So I'm going to press this one and then I can edit it once it loads. I put in my title here. So Ciao Ali. I'd like to make the font a bit larger. And once I'm happy with that, I'm going to click next. Don't forget, you're always welcome to change or edit the card, even once it goes live. Even after people sign it, you can always change the template. You can change the size of the font. That is never an issue. Now, once I've clicked next, this is our final preview. It shows you what everyone else will see once you publish and share. You can edit something if you're not happy. However, I'm happy with it. So I'm going to take my card live and publish and share it. If you are creating a group card without a collection, it has a price of $5.50. So I choose to buy one, but you can buy packs for cheaper. I don't have a promo code. I will fill out the captcha and then I will make the payment. Once you have made the payment, your card is now live. You can either be the first to sign the card or we can go straight to our track and manage page. Now, this is our title, this is our card, this is our message to the group, which we can edit. The track and manage page, this region, is where you can always come to. It's your base to edit the card, to track it, to be able to help other people sign it, and to manage it essentially. Here we've got an invite link that we can copy and share to others to invite them to sign it. We can also use it by adding email addresses. We can upload a CSV, which is an Excel document. We can add previous invitees if we've used our site before, or we can manually enter the emails. If you are using a corporate or work email, we certainly recommend sharing the link yourself through email or various social media platforms because it gets stuck in junk and spam. Your settings are where you can edit the settings of the card. You can change the name, the recipient, who it's from, the link. You can determine whether you want to send it to the recipient or yourself, and the date of when it's being sent. You can always edit this, or you can always send it now. You can change the time zone, and just don't forget to press save. You can also delete your card if you've changed your mind. As people sign it, the numbers will accrue here, and you'll be able to view the card by clicking the edit your group card. And the more people that sign it, the more pages that will be added. You can add a message yourself here. You can change the card templates. You can change the columns, which is how the messages appear. And you can also download or share the card as a link from here. That is how you set up a group card on our Australian website.